Hello friends, let's understand how to use if and whether. If is mainly used for conditionals. To talk about a condition, we use if. And to talk about alternatives, choices, we use whether. We prefer whether. But in indirect questions, we can use both if and whether. Tell me if you are a student or tell me whether you are a student. Either one is correct. Are you a student? In an indirect question will be tell me if you are a student or whether you are a student. But if you use whether, you sound more formal. Okay, and if sounds more informal. Tell me if you are a student or not, or whether you are a student or not. This structure is also possible. Or not can be used with both if and whether. We can also use or not just after whether, but we cannot use or not just after if. We can say tell me whether or not you are a student, but we cannot say tell me if or not you are a student. Okay, now let's see some more sentences where if is not possible. It's not clear whether he'll come. We can also say it's not clear whether or not he'll come. We can also say it's not clear whether he'll come or not. All the three sentences mean the same. Okay, here we are expressing doubt. We are not certain, we are not sure about something. I don't know whether to eat this dish or that dish. I don't know. Here whether is being used with to infinitive. We can use whether with to infinitive. We cannot use if over here. Let's talk about whether the children should be allowed in or not. Here whether is used after preposition. About is a preposition, and after a preposition we can use whether, not if. Okay, decision of whether or not he'll marry is yet to be taken. Here of is a preposition. After that we will use whether, not if. Okay, in all these sentences we can add or not with whether, or we can remove or not from the sentence. The meaning is the same. There is no difference in meaning. But now let's see some more sentences where we cannot remove or not. Or not is compulsory for that meaning. Okay, let's see the examples. Or not with whether can be used to mean regardless of something. Whether he is handsome or ugly, she'll marry him. It doesn't matter whether he is handsome or ugly, she'll marry him. Whether you invite me or not, I'll come to the party. If you invite, I'll come. And if you do not invite, even then I'll come. Even if you do not invite me, I'll come. Here we cannot remove or not from the sentence. We must use or not with whether to mean regardless of something. And if you think the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.